turn it on.
And what is that you're holding?
This is the moisture checker. So we're going to see how much moisture is in the bottom of her foot. You need 30%. So all your products should actually deliver moisture into the skin of the foot rather than just lying on top. So Billy's already done some preliminary. She's used the callus spray and she did a little foot filing. So we're going to see. She should have around 30%. So it's at 0. And I'm just going to place this on the bottom of her foot. And you actually see the little lines following around. It's actually calibrating, and she has 57.4% moisture in the bottom of her foot. That's amazing. Let's check another spot. So if you want to check another spot, you just recalibrate to 0, and you place it on the foot just firmly. You're not pressing very hard, anything like that. And you're watching as the little 46.8. Good job. Was this what you put callus softener and mousse?
No, just
callus softener. Fantastic stuff, isn't it? That
Yes.
Footlogix callus softener. So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Absolutely.
Oh, that was it?
That was it.
That's
we gotta do
good.
that.